Hey guys, what's up? Aaron here. In today's video, we're going to talk about the laziest way for you to make money online this year. Okay, listen, there are a lot of different ways that you can make money online. If you know anything about me, I'm not really about being lazy. It's really about understanding, your long-term goals and putting in a lot of hard work in order for you to build a real solid business and system that can generate you income. But having said that, there are difficult ways and there are easier ways to do stuff. Okay, so I'm going to try and distill the laziest strategy for you to make money online, and we're going to jump on the whiteboard right now. So make sure you stick around till the end of this video because you want to see the entire strategy. All right, now at any time, if you want to find out my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 per month, you can just go ahead and click on the training below. I will send that directly to your email if you would like. All right, so we're going to jump on my whiteboard right now. And the first thing that we need to kind of distill is, how do you really make money online, right? Now, the first thing is you need to sell some sort of product or service. Okay, that's really the only way that you can really make money on the internet. You have to sell something, either physical or digital, or you have to have some sort of service where you can get clients into that service, right? You have to transact, and that's how you really make money on the internet. So we have to figure out what kind of product we're going to sell or what kind of service we're going to sell. All right, now I'm going to show you a shortcut where you don't have to create the product, you don't have to build out the service, you don't have to hire staff and all that kind of great difficult stuff like that, but you do need to sell some sort of product or service. Okay, now the next thing is, if we want to be lazy, then we have to be able to spend as little time on the business as possible, right? Now here's the interesting thing about building a business online, is that with most businesses, it's difficult to do that, because in order for you to build a business, you have to roll up your sleeves, you have to take action, you have to do the work. And so the only real way that you can spend little time on the business but still make money is you have to find a way to create leverage. Okay, so that word leverage, remember that, because that's the way that we're going to be very, very lazy in order to make money online. Okay, now the only way that you can create leverage online is you need to do a few things. You either need to have some sort of tools, like a email autoresponder, where you can send an email to a mass amount of people, like 100,000 people at one go. You're creating leverage, right? You leverage paid ads, so you set them up one time. You do pay for them because again, for paid ads, the trade-off is you are creating leverage, but you have to be able to have a budget to do that, right? So if you use different ad platforms like Facebook ads, Instagram ads, TikTok ads, Bing ads, you get the idea. You set the campaigns up once, you spend money, but you can create a lot of leverage that way. You don't have to spend that much time on the campaigns every single day anymore, right? Maybe you only spend 5-10 minutes a day on your campaign. So that's a very lazy way to create leverage, right? Another way is to create automated webinars. So you create the presentation one time and it runs on autopilot. And I've done this, and I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars through paid webinars, right? And another way is to create systems where you don't necessarily have to be there all the time. So you use software, for example. You've got this software talking to this software that talks to this software. So you create a lot of leverage, right? Another way is to create videos. Okay, because once you upload a video onto YouTube, for example, right, it's going to stay there forever, and it will continue to drive thousands of views as long as you implement that strategy correctly, right? So I've got thousands of videos on YouTube, so I'm generating a lot of leads into my sales process, right? So again, lots of different ways to create leverage, but you have to understand this in order to be lazy online. Otherwise, you're going to have to work very, very hard. Does that make sense, right? So now that you understand that, how do we tie that up and make it simple? Okay, because look, if we want to be lazy, we got to have some sort of business model that's very simple, right? If it's too complicated, then you can't be lazy. You're gonna have to work very, very hard at your business, which is okay, by the way. Remember, I'm all about working hard, right? But the whole topic of this video is, how do we make money online in the laziest way possible, right? So it can't have too many moving parts. The more moving parts that it has, the more complicated it's going to be, the more work it's going to be for you, which means that you have to work very hard instead of being lazy, right? Now, so if we take these three things into consideration, so first of all, we know we got to sell a product or service, right? We need to spend as little time on it as possible to create leverage. We know how to do that. We've got a few different things we can deploy, and then it's got to be simple. It can't have like 5 different or 10 different moving parts like a drop shipping business or Amazon FBA, which is super, super complicated. So we're not going to build that kind of business, right? So the thing where you can combine all these things together is, you need to do affiliate marketing. You have to do some form of affiliate marketing. And if you watched any of my other videos, I break down all the different business models, and if affiliate marketing has the most automation, it's the most profitable, it's the most scalable, it's very low cost, right? And it's very simple. You don't have to handle customer service or anything like that because you're selling other people's products, okay? So the way affiliate marketing works is all you do is you just grab a link from a network online, and I'll show you how to do that in a minute, okay? So make sure you stick around till the end of this video. I'll show you some networks where you can find a link for a product that you want to sell, and when somebody clicks on that link and they buy from that link, you will make a commission. It's very simple. Now, you don't have to handle any of the customer service. You don't have to handle the delivery of that product or that service because you're selling somebody else's product. So when somebody clicks on that link and they buy, the product owner, the creator, they're the ones that have to deal with the customer service, the product delivery, the shipping and handling, if there even is shipping and handling. For the most part, there isn't because we focus on selling digital products, right? And that's what you want to do. And it's the simplest business model out there, okay? So you want to focus on affiliate marketing because it's a very, very simple business model, very little moving parts, which means that it's less work for you, which means that you can be lazy, okay? Or lazier, right? Now, here's the strategy. Okay, because if you do, there are many ways to do affiliate marketing. And if you do affiliate marketing in another way, then it's going to require you to work a little bit harder, right? But I found a way, because again, this video is all about being lazy, right? So this is for me the laziest affiliate marketing strategy that I know of, right? So the first thing is you want to build an audience because it always starts with building an audience. So let's just say that you're selling, you know, gardening products off a network, right? So you're selling somebody else's gardening products. Then you need to build an audience that's interested in gardening, okay? If you're selling, you know, dog t-shirts, then you have to build an audience that is interested in dog t-shirts, for example, right? And so that's kind of how it works. So you need to build an audience, but regardless, you need eyeballs to come and see your product or service, okay? So you need to build an audience. So we're gonna talk about that in a second. Now, if you can find a way to build a big audience in an automated way, then you have fulfilled the lazy part of this equation, right? Does that make sense? But there are many, many ways to build an audience, and some of them can be very difficult. So in this video, I'm gonna show you something that very few people ever talk about. And actually, I haven't really shared this in many of my videos, but I do a lot of things on the side in the background that I don't really necessarily share openly, right? So this is one of the first times that I'll actually be showing you this website and this particular strategy, okay? Now, if you can build an audience on autopilot, number one, it saves you a lot of time. Number two, you can be very, very lazy, right? And then once your audience is big enough, you can sell them affiliate products and keep it very simple because as we already discovered, affiliate marketing is a very simple business model, and all you need to do is drop a link and then the creator takes care of everything else once you've generated sales, okay? So I'm gonna show you two things. I'm gonna show you the audience building part, and then I'm gonna show you how to sell the affiliate products to that audience, okay? And this is very specific to the lazy make money strategy, okay? I hope you're following along. So again, lots of different ways to build an audience because remember, you can build an audience on platforms like Facebook, on Instagram, on TikTok, on Snapchat, on YouTube Shorts and things like that. And a lot of content that you create, unfortunately, takes a lot of time. Because remember, look, I'm recording this video right now, right? Now, in order for me to shoot this video, I had to think about it, I had to strategize, I had to plan, I had to, you know, do the keyword research, I had to think about how I was going to structure out this video, I had to shoot the video, and then I had to edit the video, and I've got to upload it. It's a lot of work just for one piece of content, if you think about it, right? Now that's the same for every platform. Whether you decide to create content on Instagram, where you're creating little posts, or you're doing video reels, or even if you do TikTok, right? Which is very, very popular. And even though TikTok's only like 1 or 2 minute videos, you still have to think about the content, you have to upload the content, you have to edit it, all that stuff. It requires work, right? Now, if you're lazy and you're watching this video right now, creating content in the traditional sense is not going to work for this strategy because it's way too much work. It requires way too much effort, right? Even though creating content like this is a great way to build an audience, create magnetism, and then sell your products if you really want to, okay? But it does take work, right? So how do we build an audience and create content without necessarily doing the work? Right? That is really the part that is very, very interesting. So I'm going to show you one of my websites where I'm able to do this. And I'll show you the views, and this is just gonna blow your mind, so make sure you stick around, okay? Now I'm gonna head over to one of my YouTube channels right here All right, and you can see that this particular channel, it's called Buzz Trend. All right, over the last 28 days, we generated 7 million views on this particular channel. How crazy is that? 7 million views in less than a month. Okay, you can see right here the views that I'm getting, right? I mean, every single day I'm getting like roughly about 200,000 views. I mean, it's pretty amazing. At its peak, it's kind of gone down a little bit. I was generating 500,000 views a day, right? And you can see in total, as well, in the last 28 days anyway, I've generated, well, yeah, 7.1 million views right there, okay? Now, how did I do this, okay? So this particular channel is a celebrity channel. So what I've done is I've created content that focuses around celebrities, all right? So I do a lot of content around, and I'm just gonna go back so that I can show you this. I'll go all the way to the beginning because there's a lot of content on this page, right? So if I go back, and you'll just see there's a lot of Obama stuff, because this particular channel, my audience is liking Obama a lot. So, you know, my team, we're doubling down on this Obama content, right? But we didn't start with Obama content. We started with, you know, everything, all sorts of celebrities, right? So I'm just gonna go back here a little bit. Sorry, I should have done this a little bit earlier, but you know, if you just kind of look at some of the topics here, we've got Johnny Depp videos, we've got Selena Gomez videos, we've got Obama videos, we've got Pink videos, right? We've got Tom Holland videos. We have, you know, Johnny Depp again. We've got Justin Bieber videos. You know, it's just general celebrity content, you know? And if you look at the views here, and I want to show you this because this is also about, you know, taking the time to build out a strategy. If you look at the views initially, they're very low. You know, it's like 95 views, 87 views. And if I show you even earlier, you'll see like 1 views, 2 views, 5 views a day kind of thing. Oh, sorry, 5 views for the total video. But eventually, you know, you can see that 31 views. I mean, these are very little. But if you look at my latest videos, I mean, I've got some crazy views on these videos. 11,000 views, 7,000 views, 8,000, 28,000, 4,000, 3,000, 52,000, 38,000. I mean, it's pretty incredible, okay? Let me show you some of my top videos if I can just find them. I want to see analytics. Let's look at content, and we'll see if we can find the top videos, right? I can't pull it up here, but you can see some of the best videos are doing like 700,000 views, 500,000 views, 400,000 views. I have a video that did 1.6 million views, right? And these are all shorts. Okay, so this is not long form, this is short form video that just pops up on the YouTube Shorts feed. Okay, and by doing this, you can build an audience, because that's what we want to do, right? So we want to upload very trendy, interesting content that the general mass audience likes. And if you can find somebody else to create that content for you and upload it on a regular basis, then you're doing a few things right here. So you are, first of all, you're able to build an audience. You're using automated systems, you're using videos, and you're using other people to do it for you. I should have written this down here actually. If you have a team of people to do it for you, right, and you can just pay them a little bit of money to do the work for you, then you've created a lot of leverage. Does that make sense, right? So that's what we want to do here, okay? So let me come back in the dashboard, right? And this channel is still growing. You know, we don't have a ton of subscribers right now, but we have a decent amount. We've got 12,000 subscribers. This started from 0, okay? And this is going to continue to grow to 20 to 30 to 40 to 50 to 100,000 subscribers. And once you have a big audience, this is where the magic happens. This is where you can start to sell them and recommend them different products, okay? Now, how do you build a channel like this? Okay, now there are a lot of different websites out there, but one of the ones that I like the best is Upwork. Now, Upwork is a freelance website. Now, what you need to do in Upwork is just come here into Upwork and create a free account. And once you create a free account here, you want to put out a job to find talent. And basically, you would create a job, you would post a job, hire pro, okay? And all you would do is you would post a job and write a very, very detailed job description, basically saying that you are looking for somebody to build you a YouTube Shorts channel, to create YouTube Shorts and upload it onto your channel every single day. You want 1, 2, or 3 videos a day, and you only want to pay $2 a video. Okay, I know it sounds crazy, right? That's very little money if you think about it. But there are people that will do it. There are people that will create even videos for $1, $1 to $2 per video. So yes, you need a little bit of a budget to do this, but remember that the only way that you can create leverage, and look, if you're gonna hire a team, you need to pay a little bit for the work. And if you're paying $1 to $2 a video, come on, that is very, very little, right? There's no way that you can do this for free. But if you have a small budget, I mean, not that much. Look, if you're paying $1 a video, right, and you're uploading 1 video a day, that's $30 a month. That's so little. Imagine if you upped it to 3 videos a day and you're paying $1 a video a day. That's 3 times 30. That's $90 that you're spending on your business. And you could potentially build a very, very big business this way. Think about that. I hope you're having an aha moment right now, right? And so once you post this job inside of here, give them your budget. Say that you're looking for 3 videos a day and your budget is $100 to $200 a month, right? So make sure you give a monthly value for your project. Don't say you're willing to pay $1 a video. Say that this project is going to be $200 to $300 per month. I want it on a monthly basis. I'm looking for 3 videos a day, 2 to 3 videos a day, and this is the budget for it, and this is what I want you to do. Create simple celebrity style videos to upload onto my YouTube channel. People are gonna apply, you can interview them, check out their portfolio, and that's kind of how the strategy works. It's very simple. And then people will start to build out this channel for you, okay? And once this channel builds to a certain amount of subscribers, you then need to find affiliate products. So then you would come to Google, type out affiliate marketing networks, okay, and then you're gonna find articles that will say stuff like 11 best affiliate platforms and networks for this year, or whatever it is. And then all you need to do is find the best affiliate marketing platforms, okay, and you would sell merchandise or digital training or any sort of affiliate product that you think is a good fit for your particular audience. And these are all very, very big companies. Awin is a massive affiliate network, right? Partner Stack, Amazon Associates. I mean, you could literally sell Amazon products on your channel, because now you've got a community that are engaged and are subscribed to your channel. They watch your videos every single day. And when this builds to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50,000 subscribers, you're going to be able to sell a couple of affiliate products, okay? So that's it. That's the whole strategy. It's actually a very, very simple strategy, right? This is really the laziest way to make money online. And we've covered a few things, right? We sold a product or service. We are creating a lot of leverage because we're hiring an affordable team to build content, videos that will stay on YouTube for a long time. Shorts is a great way because YouTube is putting a lot of emphasis on short content right now. It's very simple. Because you're hiring other people and you're selling affiliate products, which makes it super basic, right? You're leveraging the simplest business model, affiliate marketing, and the strategy is really to build an audience and then sell affiliate products. Very, very simple. All right, so let me know in the comment section below if you got some value from this particular video. All right, I want to know what you learned. Would appreciate some thumbs ups if you learned something today. And of course, if you would like to learn my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 US a month, this is another affiliate marketing strategy that I teach, much more detailed. If you want to check that out, just go ahead and register for the free training. I'll send that directly to your email. Please remember to check your spam folder because email these days tends to end up in spam. And I will see you on another video. Take care.